Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to mark stars and deep sky objects on the REIT. To mark a celestial object, first find out the equatorial coordinates of the celestial object. There are several sites from where the equatorial coordinates of celestial objects can be found out. One of the equatorial coordinate, the right ascension, is the same as the geographical longitude. Right ascension is measured from the vernal equinox or the first point of Aries in an anti-clockwise direction. At present, this point is in the constellation of Pisces. Right ascension is measured in hours, minutes and seconds with 24 hours equivalent to full circle. To project stars on the REIT, first convert the right ascension into degrees. Use this formula to convert right ascension into degrees. As it takes 24 hours to complete a full circle, 1 hour is equal to 15 degrees. Hence, this formula is multiplied by 15. Declination is same as the geographical latitude. Declination is the angular distance of celestial object from the celestial equator and are parallel to the celestial equator. The celestial equator is a 0-degree declination. Declination markings toward the north of the equatorial circle are positive from 0 to 90 degrees, and towards the south, the declination markings are negative 0 to 90 degrees. Declination is measured in degrees, arc minutes and arc seconds. Convert the declination in decibel by using this formula. Let's take an example of star Vega and we will see how it is projected on the REIT. Right ascension of Vega for epoch 2000 is 18 hours, 36 minutes, 56 seconds and declination is 38 degrees, 47 arc minute and 1 arc second. One can also project the coordinates for the present date. So, the declination of Vega is 38.78 degrees. Right ascension of Vega is 279.23 degrees. Draw a line segment from the center C at an angle of 279.23 degrees from the first point of Aries or say vernal equinox. Now, draw a line segment at an angle of 38.78 degrees with the equatorial line. Using the method of projecting climate circles, find out the radius on the equatorial line and draw a circle from the center. The circle of declination will intersect with the line segment of right ascension. This point of intersection is the projection of Vega on the REIT. Similarly, project as many stars or deep sky objects of your choice on the REIT. In the next video, I will show how to make the rule. Subscribe to my channel to get updates on the upcoming videos of making an Astrolabe.